everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is going to be a haul of things that I've collected over the past couple of weeks for my diorama for Lana, who's here with us. She's going to be overseeing because some of the things she might be trying on, hint hint. First I'm going to start with things that I bought in person that I know what they already look like and things, so there's no surprise, and then we'll get on to more exciting stuff later, of which I can't remember exactly what I bought, so it will be a surprise for both of us. So the first place I'm going to sort of review for you is Tiger, otherwise known as Flying Tiger, Copenhagen. I have one local to me, so I thought I'd go in there, see if there's any little bits and pieces that I could pick up and use for the diorama, and sure enough there were also a couple of things that I thought would be handy and like I could use for DIYing, but I'll save those for a different video and show you then when I end up starting to transform and make over my diorama. But these few pieces I will show you now. So they have little dollhouse pieces. They didn't have much, but they had little trash can and watering can, which I thought was really cute. So I think they're meant to be for 1 to 12 scale dolls houses rather than 1 to 6. There you go. I don't know how much of that is picking up on the camera, but that's what it is to scale. So the trash can is tiny, as you can see, and the watering can should fit comfortably enough in Lana's hands, although it is a bit small. I also picked up this little tea set, which we're going to the opposite side of the spectrum now. One was 1 to 12, and this one I think is probably 1 to 4. So it is a bit big. With the jug and things, they're pretty big, and therefore might be statement pieces or decorative pieces rather than actually used by the Barbie. Although I thought the mugs, when you have like a big drinking mug at home, like in the winter when you have a hot chocolate or something like that, and you usually want to have a big mug to drink out of and then cozy up in a blanket, watch some TV, they're that sort of size mugs. And then I thought the plates were really cute because they're all in heart shapes. I don't know if all of the pieces are heart shaped, but I know that the plates definitely are, and I think the mugs are as well, so my guess is that everything has some sort of heart shape to it. I'm gonna give them away in my Instagram giveaway that I'm planning at the moment for when I get to 100 followers. I'm currently around 80, so I only need 20 more people to follow me before I formally announce the giveaway and all of its prizes. But if you are watching this video now, you already know this might be one of the prizes. And the last bit that I'm going to show you from Tiger is this teeny tiny pink Buddha statue. They had it in white as well, but I thought the pink would go well with sort of the theme within my diorama. It's very minimalist, but I love the color pink, so I picked this one up, and I thought it would be nice to sit on like a little shelf or something, just as one of the finishing touches when we get to it. So the next store that I shopped at was actually on eBay. I will link everything down below if I can find it. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to have to discreetly do it. So from eBay, I got, it was like if you bought 3 pieces, then you get £5 off your order. So I decided to get a little outfit for Lana, or pieces that could be shared around, but I think Lana would like these pieces if I could get them out. Ooh, they're quite big actually, these shoes. Oh, and they're robust, they're not really flimsy plastic like I thought they would be. So there's those white sandal high-heeled shoes. We've got a Puma t-shirt, and I've seen these all the rage everywhere on Barbie Instagrams, and I need some Puma with me as well, so that I can be hip and cool and down with the kids. And then the last piece I got should be a pair of white leather shorts, and I thought the outfit would all match quite nicely. Yeah, there they are, white leather shorts. How about that? They look really cool. So I'm going to try these on for Lana. Already looking stellar. Very jealous. She's got a great body anyway. I mean, she's Barbie, she's plastic. That is 100% a look. I love it. I love the attention to detail as well. I was noticing on the bottom of the shoes, there's a little bee. I don't know if the camera will be able to pick it up. There's a little bee for Barbie, and I think that's really cute. Usually they have like numbers being like, this for the left foot or something like that. I think each of these pieces actually comes from one of the new like fashionista Barbies, or you know, newer ones, rather than the ones that I knew from when I was younger, which were actually called Fashion Fever Barbies, but they were basically the same thing. I'm really happy with that. Cool. Sorry if the lighting or anything has changed dramatically. I just had to switch over my camera because my other camera ran out of battery. Anyway, so the last place I'm going to review, I bought something of stuff by Silke on Instagram, and she's really sweet. I love her. So I haven't opened this yet, and again I'm gonna open it up off camera so you don't catch my address. Here we go. So I don't know exactly what's in here because I forgot. So this is gonna be a surprise, and I'm really excited. So let's just get everything out first. Oh, and there's a little thank you note. I don't know if this is going to autofocus because my camera doesn't do that for some reason, but it's got a little thank you note, which is really cute. And I think that's it. Let's have a look at each of the things I got. First I'm going to look at this. Is meant to be a bracelet holder, and I think it's broken in the post, but that's okay because I'll just glue that down again, and hopefully it should be okay because it's really cute. And it's sad that it broke in the post, but it's come from abroad and the Home Office has put tape on it, it looks like, so they may have had a look and try to see what everything is. But so that's meant to be a bracelet holder, and I'll try and fix that. And then what I was going to do is put it on one of my little shelving units that I'm going to have in Lana's room. But yeah, it should be easy to fix if I just glue it down again. Bada bing, bada boom. Ooh, and I've got loads of bits of jewellery for Lana. So I think they're bracelets, and there might be a necklace in there, it looks like. So we've got a baby pink bracelet, we've got a red bracelet, ooh, we've got a yellow bracelet, a blue bracelet, a white bracelet. This looks like a choker, which I'm intrigued about. And a white and pink bracelet. We've got like a see-through pink bracelet. These are all really cute. And then what's this colour? Is this like a lilac? Yeah, it looks like a lilac-y colour. So I think these two are the same. I think they're the same sort of lilac-y colour. From my perspective, they're the same kind of lilac-y colours. That they're all really cute. I think the white is going to go best with her current outfit now, but I kind of want to spruce it up because I don't want it to be too much white, so I'll put on a couple because it's just wire, and I love how she's rounded it off and everything, so it makes it easier to like pull around, and it's a bit more flexible and kind of close a bit tighter. Oh, that is cute. She's looking way better already. So I don't know how well you can see that because this camera isn't as good as autofocusing, but she's got all her little, well, not all of them as you can see, but she's got some little bracelets on, a little necklace, and her outfit just looks elevated. She looks amazing. She looks like a proper fashion stylist, fashionista. And then I've got a little bag. Ooh, I'm excited about this. The pink of the bag should match the pink of her jewelry, and now her outfit should just be banging. Yes, girl. Now she looks like a fashion blogger, or you know, a proper influencer. That's who she is. I'm gonna do some proper photos of her afterwards because I think this just looks amazing, and I'm gonna show it off on my Instagram. So if you want to see properly, just head over to my Instagram to have a look at it, and I'll do some proper little photos. And then last but not least, the last bits and pieces are these little Vogue magazines, which I'm also really excited about. So let's have a look at these. So here's the little Vogue magazines. I got 2 of Billie Eilish and 1 of Selena Gomez. I just liked the different colours of the magazines. I liked the purple, the green, red, and then the black and white. I just thought it looked really cute, and then anytime I want to do a specific combination with the pile of the magazines, I can do that, and I think that looks really, really cute. So I'm really excited to properly start decorating all of the different rooms of my diorama. I'm excited as well for Lana, because once I sort of am near completion with the diorama, then I'm going to focus a bit more on the individual stories of each Barbie and Suburbia, which is suburbia, but Suburbia. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to let me know that you want to see more videos like this, make sure to turn on your notifications so that you can be notified next time I upload a video, and leave a comment down below to tell me what you want to see next. It really helps me out with growing my channel. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you all have a lovely day. Peace out.